Hi, Gretchen here, Pawsom Fun and Frugal. I wanted to show you my latest, what I'm making for dinner out of my latest food haul. Just a few of the things that I got this last 2 days. Some I got today and some yesterday. So this week's food haul, I'll turn the camera on and show you what I'm making for dinner that is entirely free except for the gas that I'm cooking it with. All that asparagus, the carrot, I got a bunch of carrots, and this is a plant-based curry. It's basically curry tofu, and I'm just roasting them up with some salt and pepper, a little everything bagel seasoning, a little grapeseed oil, a little kelp salt. Most of that stuff I buy with my food stamps, so that keeps me frugal. Yes, I know my oven is very dirty, needs to be clean, but it's not a job I'm able to do. So, thank goodness the high heat kills everything. Okay, so that's my free dinner. Well, actually, that's going to be dinner with leftovers. I like to batch cook so that I have easy leftovers to heat up later on. So I will show you when that is finished. But this is how good and healthy I can eat from the food bank just for one night. Plus, all those asparagus are gonna last me a while. And just because I wanted to cook it up before it goes bad, is an ear of corn. I don't eat a lot of corn, not really supposed to, so it's a special treat once in a while.